We're going to work on some nail clipping and dremeling for Loki with the treat and train machine. Okay. So I'm going to touch his paw, activate. Just a little note. He doesn't like his hands, his paws touched, so I'm just touching them, spreading out the toenail, and activating the machine. I'm going to go ahead and use the nail clipper, just touch it, and then dispense. Just touch it and dispense. You can put this on automatic too, but right now I'm trying to kind of time it that it's after the fact that I touch his nail. I'm going to actually this time try to clip a little bit, and then I'm going to dispense. Just a little at a time, and dispense. Okay. Okay, can I have that foot, please? And dispense. Good. And if he wants to keep it on the ground, and dispense. I'm just doing a little at a time. Oops. I know, you're a little wiggly. And dispense. Good boy. So this is going to take a while for a dog that really doesn't like his nails being done. And he's kind of wiggly. Down. Good boy. Thank you. But it distracts him a little bit, and also it's rewarding him for allowing this kind of invasive handling that he doesn't like. His nails are pretty long, so I'm going to clip them and then I can Dremel them later, because it would just take me a while to Dremel them all the way down due to the length right now. You know, let me, there you go, get comfy. Good. And again, so I'm just doing a little bit at a time so I can get most of the length off, and then I can go Dremel them and smooth them down later. And then you could keep them shorter just with the Dremel alone. I'm going to take that. It's a good boy. It's a little tough for you to eat without moving that paw from me, huh? Okay. Let's see how he does with the Dremel. I've got some of those done on this first paw. Okay, sit. Good. Okay. Again, I'm going to hold this. I'm just going to turn it on and then dispense. Turn it back off. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to touch it to his nails and I'm going to dispense. Touch it to his nails and dispense. Okay. I'm going to go ahead, it's turned on and dispense it. And now I'm going to go ahead and Dremel a little bit and dispense. One at a time. Again, if you want to put it on automatic, you can. But right now I'm controlling it by pushing the button. And we're doing good. And at some point he's going to get tired of me holding his paw. So I'm going to have to let it down to rest. Good job, buddy. Not too bad, because you were really fighting before, huh? Okay, so again, I'm going to pick it up and dispense. We might have to get a little closer to the... Okay, sit. But I don't care if he sits or stands. I just need him comfortable. Okay. Okay. Good. I'm going to put it on automatic. Yeah, I might dispense. Good. Good job. So it's going to take a while to get through all of these, but that's the idea, is I'm rewarding him for just touching it first, holding his paw, spreading his toes, and then eventually doing a little bit of clipping or a little bit of dremeling. Yeah, we can turn that machine off until we get through all of them. So we may not get it all done in one session, but at least we get him conditioned to where nail trims and dremeling is not a horrible chore for him. Okay.